Hey guys, here in this video I'm going to show you how to change header color in Shopify. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to online store. After that you have to click on themes, and in the next section when you click on themes, just there you can see the customize button. So just simply what you need to do, you have to click on customize. So after that when you click on customize, you will move to editing page. So as you can see, this is our header, so simply select this. So as you can see, our header is selected here. So like I want to change the color, so just what I need to do, as you can see when we select this, the header option is available here. So finally here I want to change the color. So simply here you can see we have 5 options to change the color. So like I have selected this one. So as you can see, header color is changed. So finally in this way you can change header color in Shopify, and after that click on save button. So now when you open the again this website and open your theme, so your header color will be changed. So in this way you can change header color in Shopify.